Good morning one and all. Welcome to my channel. So we were doing arithmetic progression exercise 1.3. We completed with question number 1 and question number 2. So let's start with question number 3 today. In question number 3, in an AP given A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50, we have to find N and Sn. So to find N, what is the formula? You all know to find N. What we do? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is already given here for us. AN is already given in the question. So we take AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D because AN is given, A is given, D is given. So here 50 is equal to 5 plus N minus 1 into 3 because the value of D is 3. So let us continue. 5 plus, there is a plus sign here. So this 3 into N and 3 into 1, 3 into N is 3N. 3 into 1 is 3. So here we have 3n plus 5 minus 3 is plus 2. So this is 50. Bring 2 on the other side, you get 50 minus 2 equal to 3n. So it is 48 divided by 3 is equal to n. Therefore n is equal to 16 because 48 divided by 3 will give you 16. Hence your n is 16. Once you get n, find out Sn. To find Sn. So here we have to find S16 because our n is 16. We know formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So this is our formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Then find out. Therefore, S16 is equal to 16 by 2, 2 into 5 plus, and we got 16, 16 minus 1 into 3, you will get 8, 5 2s are 10 plus 16 minus 1 is 15, 15 into 3, 8, 10 plus 45 will give you 8 into 55. So you will have 440. Therefore, S16 is equal to 440. So here they have asked us to find out N and Sn. Hence our N is 16 and our Sn will be 440. Question number 3. In main question 3, we have the second sum. Given A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35. We have to find out D and S13. So what are the things we are having on hand? We have A13 is equal to 35. So take A13 is equal to 35. A13 is equal to A plus 12D. A13 can be written as A plus 12D. A plus 12D is equal to 35. You have A value, substitute it. So 12D will be 35 minus 7. So you will have 28. 12D is equal to 28. Therefore D is equal to 28 divided by 12. 4 7s are 28, 4 3s are 12. So you will have D is equal to 7 by 3. 28 by 12 goes by 4. 4 7s are 28 and 4 3s are 12. So you will have D equal to 7 by 3. Now you have to find out S13. You have to find out S13. To find S13, what you do? Sn is equal to n by 2 to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is your formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 to A plus n minus 1 into D. every time you write this, pronounce it, say it, say the formula. Orally when you say the formula, automatically you will by heart it. Sn is equal to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. Every time you have to say this. It will be easier for you to remember. 13 by 2, 2 into a is 7 plus n is 13 minus 1, d you have found out to be 7 by 3. Now continue. 13 by 2, 2 7s are 14 plus 12 into 7 by 3, so you can cancel here. 3 1s are, 3 4s are. 13 by 2, 14 plus 4 into 7, 28. So you have 13 by 2 into, add this to 42. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, you can cancel because there is an into here. So it is 13 into 21. If you see 13 into 21, you will get 273. 273. Therefore, S of 13 is equal to 273. Coming to the third sum. Given a is equal to 12, given a12 is equal to 37, not a is equal to 12, it's a12 is equal to 37, d is equal to 3, you have to find out a and s12. You have to find out a and s12. So a12 is equal to 37 is given to us. Make use of that. A12 is equal to 37. A12 can be written as a plus 11d. So write a plus 11d is equal to 37. We don't know a, we know only d. 37. A plus 33 is equal to 37. A is equal to 37 minus 33. Therefore, a is equal to 4. They have asked you to find out a. We have got a is equal to 4. Now we have to find out S12. To find S12, what do you do? S12 is, first you write formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 12 by 2, 2 into a value is 4, 12 minus 1, d value is 3. Substitute the values, 2 1s are 2 6 are, 4 2s are 8, 11 into 3 will give you 33, and 33 plus 8 will give you 41. 33 plus 8 will give you 41. 41 into 6 will give you 246. Therefore, S of 12 equal to 246. The fourth question in main question 3, sub question 4. Given a3 is equal to 15. Given a3 equal to 15. S10 is equal to 125. You have to find D and A10. You have to find out D and A10. So, what do you have? A3. A3 equal to 15. A3 is nothing but A plus 2D equal to 15. We don't know any value, so keep this as 1. Then we have, this is one thing what we are having. The other thing we have is S10 is equal to 125. With the help of S10 is equal to 125, what we can do? Here you can write 10 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, substitute formula. 125, 10 by 2 is 5. 2 into a, we don't know a value. 2a plus d value also we don't know. So it is 5 2a plus n minus 1 into d, keep as it is. This is equal to 125. The next step, 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 125. This multiplication 5 changes to division. So we get a 25 here. So here n minus 1 into d, what we can do is, n is 10 we know. So it is 9d. 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. This will be our second equation. Now when you solve this, you will get the values. A plus 2d is equal to 15 and 2a plus 9d equal to 25. Simultaneous linear equations, solve them by using any one of the method. Equal to 30, 2a plus 9d equal to 25. So I am using elimination method here. I am eliminating the first term a. I have got minus 5d equal to 5. D is equal to 5 by minus 5. Therefore, d is equal to minus 1. We got d is equal to minus 1. You have to find out a. To find a, what you do? Take any one of the equations. A plus 2d is equal to 15. So you have a plus 2 into minus 1 equal to 15. A minus 2 equal to 15. Therefore, a is equal to 15 plus 2. Therefore, a is equal to 17. You got a is equal to 17 and d is equal to minus 1. What do we have? We have a is equal to 17, d is equal to minus 1. To find a10, what you do? A10 is equal to a plus 9d. Your a is 17, 17 plus 9 into minus 1. 17 minus 9 will give you 8. Therefore, a10 is equal to 8. They have asked you to find out d and a10. So, your d is minus 1 and you have a10 as 8. Coming to question number 5 of main question 3, sub question 5. Given d is equal to 5, s of 9 is equal to 75, find a and a9. Here what is given? S9 equal to 75 is given. So take that. S9 is equal to 75. Write the equation n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 75. We have d value as 5, 9 by 2. 2a plus n is 9 minus 1 into 5 equal to 75. 9 by 2, 2a plus 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 5s are 40 equal to 75. If you take common, you will have 2 common here. You will get a plus 20 within the bracket. So that these 2 we can cancel. 9 into a plus 20 will give you 75. A plus 20 will give you 75 by 9. So a is equal to 75 by 9 minus 20 by 1. Find out LCM. 75 minus 180. So you have a is equal to 75 minus 180 divided by 9. Because your LCM is 9 here. 9. So you get minus 105 divided by 9. Therefore, a is equal to minus 35 by 3. So this is your A value to find A9. What you do to find A9? A9 is equal to A plus A to D. You have got A as a 35 by 3 plus 8 into D is given as 5. So you have minus 35 by 3 plus 40 by 1. Here LCM will be 3. So it is minus 35 plus 120. So you will have minus 35 plus 120 is 85 by 3 plus 85 by 3. Therefore, A9 is equal to plus 85 by 3. This is what is being asked in the question. A is equal to minus 35 by 3 and A9 is equal to plus 85 by 3. Coming to the sixth question, given A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90, find A and An. So Sn is given, Sn equal to 90. So this will be n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 90. So n by 2, 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2 plus n minus 1, d is 8. As far as possible, put one is equal to below the other. As far as possible, put one is equal to below the other. So you will have n by 2, 4 plus 8n minus 8 equal to 90. N by 2, 8n minus 4 is 90. So you take n by 2 into 2 common, 4n minus 2, 90. So 2 gets cancelled. 4n square minus 2n equal to 90. 4n square minus 2n minus 90 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Remove the common out. 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation. This is your quadratic equation. Solve it by finding the factors. Solve. 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. If we multiply, we have to get 90. If you add or subtract, you have to get minus 1. So 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equal to 0. First two terms, last two terms, 2n and minus 5 plus 9 and minus 5 equal to 0 and minus 5 2n plus 9 equal to 0. Therefore, n is equal to plus 5 or 2n is equal to 9 minus 9, n is equal to minus 9 by 2. N is a natural number, so we cannot take negative numbers. Natural numbers are all positive numbers. So we have to take n is equal to 5. Now you found out n. They have asked you to find n and to find an. So your n is 5. To find an. To find an means a of 5. N is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. If 5 is equal to 2 plus 5 minus 1 into 8. 2 plus 4 into 8. 2 plus 32, that is 34. Therefore, if 5 is equal to 34. So you have got n, you have got an, that is a5 is equal to 34. Coming to the seventh sum, given a equal to 8, given a is equal to 8, an is equal to 62. Sn is equal to 10. Find n and d. Find n and d. You have to find out n, you have to find out d. So solution, a of n is equal to 62, a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 62, 8 plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 62. So your n minus 1 into d is equal to 62 minus 8, you will have 54. Therefore, n minus 1 into d is 54. This is your one thing which you have got. Now one more thing you have is Sn is equal to 10. So you can do n plus 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 10. So n by 2, your a value is 8. 2 into 8 plus n minus 1 into d, you have got 54. Substitute that, you will get to 10. N by 2, 2 into 8 is 16. 16 plus 54 is to 10. 16 plus 54 is 70. N by 2 into 70. So here you will get 35 equal to 210. Therefore, 35 n is equal to 210. Hence, n is equal to 210 divided by 35. 7 5s are 7 3s are 5 1s are 5 6. Therefore, n is equal to 6. Now you have got n is equal to 6. You have found out n. Now you have to find out d. To find d. What to do to find d? Take any one of the equation. You have n minus 1 into d is equal to 54. Equation 1 we are having. This is your equation 1 from 1. So n you got 6. 6 minus 1 into d is equal to 54. 5d is equal to 54. Therefore, d is equal to 54 by 5. Hence, you have got, hence, n is equal to 6, d is equal to 54 by 5. 54 by 5. These are the two things which you were supposed to find out. Coming to the 8th question. Given an is equal to 4, d is equal to 2, Sn is equal to minus 14, find n and a. So an is equal to 4. With the help of that, you can find out what we have with us. An is equal to 4. A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 4. We have d as n minus 1 into 2 as 4. So you have a plus 2n minus 2 equal to 4. So you will have a plus 2n is equal to 4 plus 2. Therefore, a plus 2n is equal to 6. A is equal to 6 minus 2n. One thing is, you will get a plus 2n is equal to 6, or you can write a is equal to, these are two important things which we have with us. Now you find out Sn. Now you find out Sn. Your Sn is equal to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. Minus 14 is equal to n by 2, 2 into. So you have a plus n minus 1 into d. This you substitute the whole thing. A plus n minus 1, a is equal to 6 minus 2n. So here you have a value 6 minus 2n plus this you write as it is n minus 1 into d. Here a value you have 6 minus 2n. The same thing you will write here. So it is n by 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4n plus Your D, value of D is 2. So instead of D you can write 2 here. You will get 2n minus 2. These are the things which are getting in within the bracket. N by 2. So this is 4n and 2n. You will have minus 2n. 12 and 2 you will have plus 10. So minus 14 is equal to, if we continue, minus 14 is equal to n by 2 minus 2n plus 10. Here if you take common, minus n plus 5, so this gets cancelled. Minus 14 is equal to minus n square plus 5n. So you will have n square minus 5n minus 14 equal to 0. This is your quadratic equation. So you get your quadratic equation. Solve this. N square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 equal to 0. First two, last two terms. n minus 7 plus 2 n minus 7 equal to 0. n minus 7 n plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore n is equal to plus 7 or n is equal to minus 2. But you know that we don't take natural number, negative numbers. So your n is equal to plus 7. Now you have to find out a again. You have to find out a. So you have got n is equal to plus 7. To find a, take any one of the equation. You have a is equal to 6 minus 2n. A is equal to 6 minus 2 into 7. 6 minus 14. So you will have minus 8. Therefore a is equal to minus 8. You got n is equal to 7. A is equal to minus 8. Hence n is equal to 7. A is equal to minus 8. Coming to the ninth sum. Given a is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. N is equal to 8. S is equal to 192. You have to find D. So you have to find D. Coming to the solution. Sn is equal to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into D. So n is 8. 8 by 2. 2 into 3 plus 8 minus 1 into, you don't know, D. Sn is 192. 2 ones are 2 fours are. 192 is equal to 4 into 6 plus 7D. So you will have 192 divided by 4 is equal to 6 plus 7D. 4 ones are 4 fours are 16. 4 eights are 32. 48 minus 6 is equal to 7D. 42 divided by 7 is equal to D. Therefore your D is equal to 7 6 are 42. Value of D is 6. Coming to the 10th question, question number 3, the 10th sum. Given L is equal to 28, S is equal to 144. Total there are 9 terms. Total n is equal to 9 terms. You have to find A. You have to find A. So now S is equal to n by 2 a plus L, because the last term is given. So you do 144 9 by 2 a plus 28. So you get 144 into 2 divided by 9 is equal to a plus 28. So yeah, 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 6 are 54, 32 equal to a plus 28. 32 minus 28 is equal to a, therefore a is equal to 4. Your a is equal to 4. That is what is asked in the 10th question. You have to find out a. This is your 9th question, this is your 10th question. So children, we have completed with exercise 1.3 third main question with all the 10 sums. Hope you all have understood the sums. If you have understood what you have to do, you have to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.